Good afternoon. I have about, my PowerPoint's going to last about an hour and a half, so everyone settle in, okay? I'm just kidding. My name is Tom Lally. I'm the Senior Regional Sales Manager for Dormer Kaba, based out of northern New Jersey. With me today is Mark Zapansky. He's with MAS Associates. He's our manufacturer's rep firm. He's doing the Dormer Kaba line, well, with the Kaba lines for about 11 to 12 years. A lot has been going on with the KeyScan Kaba family. I started with KeyScan about 2.5 years ago. About a year ago, we were acquired by Kaba. Kaba is a global manufacturer of door locking hardware. They're based out of Switzerland. They have about 7,000 to 8,000 employees. And they acquired KeyScan Access Control about a year ago. So very exciting news for that. They were looking for a proven successful manufacturer of networked access control systems. So they purchased us about a year ago. About 6 months ago, we merged, the Kaba family merged with Dorma. Dorma is also another door locking hardware type of manufacturer. They really focus more on high-end glass doors and other products of that nature. They're a similar size to Kaba. They are another billion-dollar company, about 7,000 to 8,000 employees, with a presence in about 60 countries. So suddenly, I work for a company, the third largest access control company in the marketplace, with about 16,000 employees. But today, I'm going to just talk to you about KeyScan Access Control and maybe some other minor accessory products. And today we sell products of all nature that are surrounded around the door. We are as far as KeyScan Access Control is concerned, we manufacture door access control unit panels, card readers, credentials, and we designed our own software platform, which is the Aurora software platform that we're very proud of. We launched that about 3 years ago. We're a sales organization, a manufacturer, so we want to sell our systems in everywhere. But as far as our more productive, more successful verticals, we sell into the education market on all the different levels, K through 12, higher education, colleges, universities, commercial office space, pharmaceuticals, and municipalities. Some projects in particular that we've done, as far as KeyScan is concerned, because KeyScan's been in business for the last 30 years, and they're based out of Toronto. But as far as some of the projects that KeyScan has done, we have systems in Bradley International Airport. I'm talking about projects in this New England market. Bradley International Airport, Danbury, the city of Danbury has KeyScan Access Control. Danbury Municipal Airport, the MBTA T-Train has KeyScan. The United States Coast Guard, New England Institute of Technology, UMass, University of Southern Maine, and that list goes on and on. So we have a very nice reputation in the New England market. We're going to touch on brand equity a little bit today, how we go to market as a single solution as far as our Aurora software is concerned. We're going to talk, just touch on the network appliance-based architecture of our products for the KeyScan Access Control, maybe touch on some of our integration partners, and then we'll talk a little bit about innovation as well. When I talk about brand equity, this is by far our largest sales differentiator, or one of at least, is just the quality of our product. Now I know I'm a sales guy, I manage the Northeast, I'm here to tell you everything great about my company, but if you ask around anyone that has experience with KeyScan, the biggest differentiator we have is just the quality of our product. The panels that we make up in Toronto are rock solid. I still have systems that were installed 15 years ago, and they're still using the same original panels. Every single panel that we manufacture gets tested before we ship out of the Toronto manufacturing facility. Every single panel, we don't do any sample testing. A lot of manufacturers like myself do sample testing. Maybe we'll test one every 10 or 15 products that leave the factory. But we have 100%, every single panel gets tested for at least a 24-hour burn-in, sometimes 48-hour. So if there's a problem on that system, It's not going to be that panel. We're not perfect, don't get me wrong, but it's not going to be that panel. It's going to be something else, some other device on that network, if there is an issue at all. Talking about a single solution approach with the Aurora software that we have. It's an enterprise level software platform. Single solution meaning whether you're putting in a 5-door system or 500 doors, you're going to be buying the Aurora software solution. I say that because a lot of our competitors, if you go over a certain amount of doors, you have to go to a different platform. But with us, it's a little different. You buy the Aurora software to handle whether it's 5 doors or 500 doors. We also manufacture a PoE-powered 1-door access control panel, which is a real nifty device. It's for a 1-door system or 1 door. A box that you can put right above the door. You drop the wires down through the door jamb, mount the reader, and you're all set. You would need a network drop there. That's our PoE-powered 1-door access control panel. And then we manufacture 2, 4, and 8-door panels. Those are traditional powered panels. And then we also have 2 elevator panels as well. Keyscan is scalable with no annualized licensing fees. This is, as far as on a cost perspective, this is by far our biggest differentiator. We have, whether 5-door system, if you're adding 150 doors to that system, we're not going to charge you $1 more for software. We have no recurring licensing fees, no recurring support warranty fees. That's a big plus for us because a lot of our competitors have recurring annual licensing fees. Why do they do that? Well, with us, on a feature level, we match up with the Aurora software platform. We match up against anyone in the marketplace now with the Aurora software platform. Okay? But because we have no recurring fees, the reason why we're able to do that is because while we're very proud of our software, we wrote it in-house, we charge you once for it. Okay, we design, engineer, and manufacture our own panels. Because of that, that's how we make our money. We want to sell people 4-door and 8-door panels. A lot of our competitors that charge recurring fees resell Mercury panels or a third-party panel manufacturer. So since they do that, they don't make too much money in their hardware. They have to make money on their software. So they have to charge these annualized fees. We have a completely different business model. And it's working really, really well for us. As far as, again, adding on to that single solution approach, this is just a lot of detail, but bottom line is, you know, we stay on the cutting edge as far as production of our access control panels. We have distributed processing at the panels to allow independent data processing and decision making without server reliance. Bottom line is if the server goes down or your network goes down, the doors are still going to work and our panels are still going to work. The intelligence is stored at the panel as well, which is really nice. Some key features with the Keyscan Aurora. Some important stuff here is, you can have up to 10 credentials per user. You can belong to 10 different groups in the software, which is a nice feature. Active mapping comes with the base software. Active mapping, we have the ability to design maps, or you can download floor plans into the software, and you can put all the devices on those maps, whether it's your surveillance camera, if you have integration, you can put the mag locks and the card readers, and you can lock and unlock doors from that map. So if someone calls the central station or the command center and say, hey, I forgot my card, you can go to that active map and unlock the door for them. Or if you have the integration with video and an alarm goes into the access control unit, we have, if it's set up correctly, we have the ability to pull the video stream and visually look at what's going on at that particular door. You can do that from those active maps as well. We have visitor management. Visitor management solution comes with the Aurora-based software, which is a nice feature. Some people charge extra for that. We do not. You could also design photo badging and create your own badges, all from the original software platform. And none of that is at extra cost. Some more details, 10 assigned groups, we can skip that, not exciting. Out of the box, we can support 45,000 credentials. We have integration with Microsoft Active Directory. Our disaster recovery is phenomenal. I know I drink the Kool-Aid and everything about my company is supposed to be great, but if you ask around, our disaster recovery is exceptional. If, say, Hurricane Sandy comes around, say you have 5 panels at a job site, power goes out, and the servers are down, and let's just say one of our panels is still lit up because it's on a separate power grid. It's a very, very important door. If that's still lit, we're able to pull all the information from the other panels out in the field from that one door panel. We can pull the names, we can pull the groups, we can pull the access levels. And it's all done in very, very timely fashion. I've been told from even some of our competitors that our disaster recovery is indeed one of the better ones in the marketplace. And we have other features like Present 3. Present 3 is another nifty feature that we added to our software. It's a rule override tool. If you present the card 3 times, within 5 seconds, you can override whatever rule was set at that door. So you can kind of do Present 3 and arm your intrusion panel. You can do a Present 3 to turn the lights on, in the classroom, whatever it might be. There's a lot you can do when you talk about inputs and outputs on the electrical side. So that Present 3 is a nice feature that we pioneered. There's other variations of this Present 3 feature in the marketplace, but they got it from us. We pioneered this about 15 years ago. In a nutshell, our access control units are true edge devices, come out of the box, LAN, WAN ready to go on the company's network. Distributed intelligence, like I touched on, pretty much, if the servers go down, if the network goes down, those panels are still going to work. As far as integration is concerned, we are integrated with most of the major players on the video surveillance side of things, whether it's OpenEye, Salient Systems, Video Insight, Exact Vision, you name it, we're integrated. We're also integrated with a lot of intrusion panels as well, DMP, DSC, telephone entry systems, etc., biometric figures. That technology has gone a long way. We're integrated with them as well. These are some of our partners. As far as innovation is concerned, we have a lot of stuff coming out. We have mobile apps coming out. One product I just wanted to quickly mention is our PowerPlex 2000. This is a standalone lock. It's not for every door. It could be for that conference room door or maybe that common bathroom door on a commercial office space. This lock has no batteries and no wires. Every time you crank this lever, it self-charges itself for 2 months. It has a capacitor inside. It stores the energy for 2 months. We have one of these PowerPlex locks in every cell tower, every AT&T cell tower. Quick Check convenience stores, we have one of these in every one of their bathrooms. If you go into any Starbucks, you'll see, I don't think it's a PowerPlex, but you'll see Kaba locks on all the bathrooms in the Starbucks. So this is a dynamic lock, no batteries to worry about changing or recharging. Great for those green applications with environmentally friendly applications.
What's that called again?
This is the PowerPlex 2000. In a nutshell, that's pretty much it. So if I can leave you with anything, I emphasize the point that on a feature level and a spec level, we match up against anyone in the market now. Typically, traditionally, we were known for small to medium-sized projects, but that's not the case anymore at all. We do projects with major universities of 700, 800 doors. So we are a true enterprise access control platform. And I just wanted to say thank you very much to JKS Systems. It's a pleasure to work with them. And thank you very much.